The third one is we are going to see whoever stay here during lunchtime, then we will pay the lunch reimbursement. Our criteria is we would like to let whoever come here before 1 p.m. and leave after noon to have lunch reimbursement. Here we're going to write our formula if, and we have two situations we need to consider. We need to make sure the earliest time is before 1 p.m. And then we have another situation is the latest time is after 12. If it meets the criteria, we'll make it 1. Otherwise, we'll make it 0. So right now, we have these, like this guy, despite it did not working long hours, this employee stays during the lunch hour, so the criteria met. So it's 1. And here, this employee left at 1 p.m. So that's not meet the criteria. Now we're going to have a new reimbursement. And there are two ways to get this reimbursement. We're going to use unique again. I only want to have all the employee name. I can get it from the raw data here. If I don't want this 0, what we can do is filter these. I want to make sure does not equal blank. You can just pick up a certain row, it's fine, but we're going to add some data later. Okay, so unique filter, and we got all our data here. Next, we want to know the date met criteria. We can use SUMIFS here. We can just SUMIFS the days here for each employee. And then we pick up this employee here. Now we got 39 and we got 30. Another way to do this is using SUMPRODUCT. So for example, we can just use the same formula here. And we have our employee here. We are going to use SUMPRODUCT. Let's do it here to make sure it equals our employee name here. Then we're going to consider. Next situation is mode, earliest time less than 13, that's 1 p.m. And then we're going to have one more situation. It's mode. Only thing is we're going to find the latest time is after noon. Okay, let's close this. Somewhere missing, which is normal. That's missing a bracket. Let me change to be A3 because it should not. Okay, I add that header. So this is right now. So the result is the same. No matter if you add a support column or not, you get the same. So it's up to you. If you want a support column very clear, you can just use SUMIFS and easy to use. If you just don't want this support column, you can just use SUMPRODUCT to pick up from the earliest and the latest time columns. Let's say put a number here. You're going to do $20. So everybody's reimbursement, you would know the budget would be this. And then you can have a total 6,000 to budget the lunch reimbursement in the 2 months. Or you can change to be 15. So this is up to you. Now we solve this third problem to show the reimbursement.